The day started off finding some deer very early. I noticed they're in a circle. White-tailed does like to bed in a circle facing different directions. I just thought it was pretty neat to see them. Next up will be a common yellow-throat thrush, or common yellow-throat, not really a thrush. Sky was really bright, so I decided to also take a silhouette photo. Next up, we have a hermit thrush. Didn't get much time with him before he flew off, but other than that, I kind of like the picture. Got a pretty clean background. Next up, we have a eastern towhee. Very noisy bird. Cool looking. First time I've actually ever seen one. It took me a while to find him. Of course, he was way up in the tree, so nothing spectacular, but it was fun listening to him, and I got at least one picture. Alright, next is a downy woodpecker. They're pretty common. I've gotten a few pictures of them before. This one was very close, so no cropping really for the photo. The next two after his picture would be a white-throated sparrow. I do have those come to the feeder in my yard. And then a very tiny bird called a blue-gray gnatcatcher. Didn't get any video of those two. The gnatcatchers were really fast. I do see them in the forest, but they are usually way up in the treetops. This one happened to come down close by, so I got what I could. The final photo coming up is of the deer again. They moved, they got up and were feeding. The photo mainly was of the deer in the background. It was really hard to catch focus, so I was trying to manual focus. But other than that, enjoy the set of photos again as you see them at the end of the video. Thanks. Like and subscribe, comment, and enjoy.